Hi everyone, welcome to the Chart Trader Weekly Market Outlook. This is Ali Deep. So with DXY, it's playing as we expected, guys. We anticipate this move last week, and we said they will turn from here. Let me show you this one. This one was posted on our trading view, and let's clear this. And we did said that's what we posted. Watch it yourself. See guys, we did have that down move and the up move still playing. So what we're expecting this week, we're expecting the up move to continue to the upside. So just let's quickly go back and get that drawing tools, and yep, so we can see them coming. First is to this box, and after breaking this box, we are coming to break this top. Okay, so we can see this move possible this week, but keep in mind we can turn down from here as well. So we can just come here and drop. So the bigger move to the downside, guys, even from here or from here, one of that will play out. So let's move on to US 30, Wall Street. So we're anticipating down move for this pair as well this week, and still playing as we expected as well. We did anticipate that one from the bottom to go to the top there in 5 waves, and they played out exactly as we expect. You can check our previous outlook, you will not see that. Let's move on to SPX, S&P. So S&P, it's doing as we said exactly, guys, and we anticipate this move from the bottom to the top. We did also anticipate this one from right at the top here coming down to the downside. So we anticipated this move and this move. So let me show you our previous week outlook. Okay, we were somewhere here and we said this is going to go up. It's not dropping. Let's quickly go there. Is it this one? Yep. So this was our last week, guys. See, and we're still going up. So we almost near the top of the arrow. See here, we were somewhere here, and we said keep buying this because it's coming to the upside. So what's now for this week? Once they reach this level, okay, guys, we will watch this pair to, if there is another move on the stock market to the downside, this will be your best entry here. Find, sell, set up, and sell it. If there is another move to the downside, for me, I'm waiting them to come to this level and break it and correct, and I will be buy up to the upside. Okay, but I don't want to engage this down move. They can turn from here, from this arrow. So we will see when they come here what's the reaction. So we will wait on this and wait for the reaction and see. Okay, so I'm expecting we did resume to the upside. Okay, guys, but in case anything happens and the stock market has to fall again, so this will be your best entry. Find this sell setup and take it to the downside, and we'll see if this is only a correction and going, or what happens from there. We'll update this next week. So for this week, stay focused on the buy side. So let's move on DAX. So DAX as well, guys, we are anticipating an up move to continue to the upside. We said about this from here. We said we are going up, and we're still going up. Let me just quickly show you this one as well, and this one, guys. Okay, so this is what we said last week. We was here, see, we said we are going up, and we are now somewhere here. Let's go quickly show you this one. Let me just delete this and delete this and show you this one. See, guys, we was at the bottom. We said we are going up. What's now? We're still focusing on the upside only. Structurally, even if they're going to drop, I'm not expecting them to drop from here, because we can have this one first and then go. Okay, or this can be just from here. Okay, and then go, because we need to continue this one first to the upside, even if we're dropping. So focus on the upside on DAX as well. So USD yen, let's move on USD yen, guys. And let me show you how we did anticipate this up move and this down move quickly as well. So you see this one, guys, we said last week sell this. Okay, and let's see where we are now. This was here, and we are now exactly at the bottom here. Okay, guys, we did break this bottom. So we did anticipate this down move. We break this bottom now, and we stopped here. We're expecting some correction and continue to the downside on this play.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I see this is the correction, and I see we are 1, 2, and we're going down.
Sorry, guys, I did play the by mistake. So, guys, all the pair I'm bringing you the forecast is from my previous outlook only. Okay, so you can go watch my previous outlook here on my YouTube channel and see yourself. So let's keep going with gold. So let me quickly brief you on what we said last week. We said this could be a correction to go to the upside, or we can be dropping. Okay, I said if you see bigger correction, sell. We said we called this sell from here, guys, and we said sell this and we will see what happens from there. If you sold this, good luck, break even. What's now we see them going to the upside again. You either take profit, or if you want to hold this and you think this is going to go to the downside, you can put break even now. We told you last week to buy it, to sell it, and see what happens from there. Let me show you this one as well. So this we already done. And this is the gold. Okay, we see my ABC still in there, and we said this is, I was anticipating correction and continue to the upside. Okay, guys, and I said sell this B wave. If you just go and play it, you will see that. Okay,
if you have it, if not, sell this. If you see that setup, and keep it and break even.
See what this guy was from previous week talking.
Buy stop above the top and take this move after if you break the top. If not, keep selling this. You are coming down. Okay.
So guys, you see, I played it for you guys, so you saw it. I said sell this, and we will see what happens from there. Okay, we are now here, and there is no sell before we break this bottom now. If you're not in the sell, you cannot sell anymore until you break this red line. Okay, that area. So your area to sell, start looking for sell is 1639. In case you see spike to the downside at some point, you only sell after breaking this bottom. They will, let me just draw for you quickly, or we expect to happen if they're going to the downside. I'm expecting the up move, guys, don't forget this. But let's say they manage to spike down. Okay, white a correction, we are going to do correction and sell it. Because if you break this bottom, that's it. This confirms my move to the downside. And your first target, then it's here. It's 1477. Okay, so this is two scenario for you guys. Stick on the upside. I think we are going to the upside more. And I don't see any change in the structure here. I still see this is ABC and we are going up. But in case they go to the downside, now you know what to do if this happens. So let's move on to silver. So silver, we call this sell as well from the top, guys, from last week. I'll show you in a moment. So we call this sell from right at the top. I say sell it. If you don't want to sell it from the top, white correction and sell. Okay, and we got it. And now if you see it going more down, sell. Any breakout, sell. One of them will drop fast. So let me show you quickly what we expected last week. That was my expectation last week, guys. Hopefully this one help you understand what we do in here, how we read the structure and how we see it. So we did anticipate this down move on silver. See, this is silver. Based on our previous outlook, you can go and watch it to understand that more. So let's just delete this for me and go back to the silver. So what we're anticipating now, there is high chance for them to be start to the downside. So only if we break this top, we will change our mind, okay, and then we will anticipate one more to the upside here. But for now, this is doing well, and especially if now this comes and break this bottom, guys, keep selling this because you are coming to the downside. Okay, we will come sharp. we will drop something like this, guys. Do not miss this one. So silver, we can see sell as long as we don't break the top again. So let's move on to US oil. In US oil, I got you something as well from last week to show you. So guys, we did call this trade from the top. We said sell this, and when we come to the bottom of this box, be careful or take profit, and wait. If we come down, break it, wait this correction and sell again. Okay, I'll show you this on the video as well. So let me just clean today drawing, and this was our last week video. Okay, we said sell here. There is a high chance if they turn, we are going to the upside, and I said there is a high chance there for them to be coming down to break the bottom. Okay, see, this was my forecast from long time, and I anticipated this bottom to come to get there, and now we are there. Alright guys, so what's now? I don't advise you on selling this pair. They still can drop a little bit more to the downside. Let's go back to the chart. Okay guys, see, we are right at the bottom there. So wait for this to return. You need this correction and buy it. You cannot buy before this, so we will leave this one on the side and we'll buy next week. But our forecast on this pair now is to the upside only. There is big move to the upside will come. Alright guys, so I want to call you to sell it, buy it from the bottom. The reason is if they manage to crawl down slowly here and take a while, probably a couple weeks. Okay, I don't want you to be dragged in this, and this can draw your mind, play on your mentality. So once this ready to go, okay, you are gave up on this pair and you're not interested to buy anymore. So just patient and wait for this. We're not going to go anywhere. Even if we go up, we are going to come down, guys. Patient will pay off, and then we will buy this. Okay, let's after we see this, okay, we will give you this as here, as what we said here as well. We said you buy from the bottom and put stop loss below a little bit, take 10-15 pips stop loss, so at least you have a risk to manage, guys. Okay, because I said if you break it, we will correct here and we will drop. That's what happens, exactly as I expected. Okay, we break it. Once we broke this, we didn't buy because they come and break it sharp. We sold this. I closed a little bit earlier, you guys, to be honest, and I'm not now, no sell, no buy at this time. And I'll be start looking for buy. If I see buy setup, this is what I will be looking for. That's why I advise you, if you didn't do so, just go and take my course. My course will help you change your view of the market, guys. I will help you master your vision about how to look in the market structure and what to look for, how to read Elliott wave, how to label the chart, how to trade with the trend. So let's continue. So US oil, we got it. Aussie USD. Let's on Aussie USD and see here. So let's just start from here and we go there. Until the chart loads. So we did anticipate this one, guys, and we did anticipate this right to the green line. Okay, we did anticipate really from the bottom, this one, and we are now at the top here. Okay, so you saw this. Let's go back to the chart and show you. See, we are exactly at the top of the arrow. What's now? Okay, now if we find sell setup, sell it. Stop loss above the top. If you break the top again, leave it. Wait this 10, I will sell. Okay guys, let me explain for you why. We're still expecting a drop on the Aussie USD to the downside, okay, for at least this level. So as long as we don't break this top, we are still going to have this sell. Alright, and structurally I can see this is your running flat, and I see this A, B, C to the upside, and I can see this is your first impulse. So this is your one, very high chance, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, focus on this, guys. I'll leave this one here on the chart for you so you see next week as well. So what now? You can start selling on this pair. Okay, maybe you put trend line. Once you break this, you start taking your sell to the downside. If you see going sharp, do not stop on the side, sell it. If you see this dropping sharp, just sell it, guys. There is big move, something big about to happen. Okay, stop loss above the top again, guys. Or if you want to be safer, and if you're a long-term trader or medium-term trader, you can put your stop loss above this top, because I'm not seeing them going to break this top before the drop. So let's move on to Pound USD. So Pound USD, guys, I'll show you this one as well. Where's the email subscription? Huh. Okay, easy. This was our Pound USD, guys. This was our call, and not only this. This for the people who went to my website and subscribed to. It's on the homepage. Just go there and subscribe to my channel, to my email list, and you'll see we did send this one from last week. Where is that bottom? Just one second. Give me one second, guys. Well, we can't access the email list. We did send exactly this in the email list, my email list, guys, and this I bring it from there. Okay, I just opened the bar. I don't know why. Oh, okay, one second. Alright, guys. So we sent this email last week, I think Sunday, and we called that on move on Pound USD. Okay, I'll open again for you. We sent this and EURNZD, and both of them are doing exactly as we said. We anticipated 1,200 pips on the EURNZD, and we are halfway down. Okay, we did already. Well, we will come to this pair later. So Pound USD. Okay, let's just open again so for you guys see. It's exactly the same one. We did anticipate this down move and from the top, see, and we're still seeing them either in ABC or we're going down. So now we'll decide if this hold here and go correction, we're anticipating this down move and we will be selling only for this place. Okay, and from there we will go to the upside if it comes like this. If they manage to drop sharp, we are seeing them coming to the downside. Alright, guys, we see them. We're expecting them to come break this bottom. Exactly this bottom we have to come break it. If they drop sharp at any point. If they take long, and if they do exactly as you see my ABC on the chart, start looking for buy. Let's move on to EURUSD. I hope you guys are enjoying my outlook, guys. Please, if you do, give the like for the video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to look on any other chart, please type it in the comment section and I will add it to my watch list next week so I can do it for you guys. On EURUSD, we can see them going to the upside, guys. Okay, we are anticipating this move now to the upside. Okay, but keep in mind, if you can break this bottom, this is changed. We're not anticipating them to break this bottom. We did anticipate this, guys. Exactly this one was there before it even happened. And we anticipated this, and we said this is going. Let me show you quickly. Okay, hopefully it's this one. No, this is the OZ. This one. So, see, guys, we was at the bottom. We said we are going up, coming back down, and we're going back up. Okay, let's see if this is playing out. See, guys, we did get up this up move, and we get this down move, and we can see them going to the upside only. So our next move on the EURUSD is to the upside. Enjoy this buy. Don't miss this buy because this can be the one that will go to the upside. Okay, can play with this green structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So keep your eyes on this one as well. Let's move on to EURUSD, EURYEN. So EURYEN, guys, we are with the sell. If you following my YouTube channel, you will understand we've been forecasting this down move from the top, right the top, and we still only selling. Every breakout we are selling. If we break out here, we are going to sell. This is our target, 113.1180. So focus on this to the downside. Let's move on to New Zealand. Let's try to get over this outlook very quickly for you guys. And here what we expected, guys. And this was my top chart. We did anticipate this down move from here, right here, and we said we are coming down. Okay. Last week we called this move because structurally we said we are going to have this move. This long term was from before. I'll show you in a moment. But this one we follow with the structure, guys. Okay, we said we are going to come up. We are coming down, coming back up, coming down here, and that will happen. Okay. But we are in the sell on this top as well. And this one was sent yesterday in my email list as well. I just showed you before, and I will show you here as well. Okay, guys, this is my website, the chart trader chart analysis. If you go there, this is live chart, guys, but this is here where I forecasted that move. See, we forecast the up move and to the downside, and this was this. See, to the upside, to the downside on the chart. Let me take you to the chart. Was this to the downside and still in there, didn't move anything for you guys. So what's now? We only will look for sell on this pay. Even if we have clear structure to the upside, we are no buyer. We are anticipating very big move on the Euro New Zealand to the downside, even bigger than that. Okay, so let's move on. So guys, I advise you to go visit my page and visit this page, the chart trader chart analysis. Okay, just go and go on to this one, to this page, and there is a lot of helpful information for you guys. You will always see my trade setup in here. I'll post one trade setup, the one I'm very sure out of it. I'll be posting it here, and you go technical analysis, sentiment. This is all real ones. Okay, guys, this is actually from the liquidity provider itself. So I think this is really will give you overview of what people are doing in the market, and this as well. Okay, there is a lot of stuff in here as well, weekly outlook, everything. You can just watch it quickly from that page. Just come in and watch it. You will watch the new outlook in there, and you can draw on this chart. You can do whatever you want, guys. Okay, so if you come here, you don't even have to go anywhere to analyze any trade. Just come to this chart, bring the tools, draw whatever, copy. You can copy it. You can do whatever you want. Okay, you can copy, save image, or whatever you want. So I highly recommend this page because I always put very important info in there. Okay, guys, so if you're interested in what I'm doing, guys, now we are about to start doing daily outlook for you guys. And just go here. Let's go back to the chart until this. It's already there. Okay. Alright, guys, and you can register. And this for the course, there is discount code for the course, guys. It's now for first year people is 1000. Okay, so 999. You get the code from the course page, and you put it after you select. You click this select. You put it if you are interested in buying the course. But if you're only looking in buying our daily market outlook, so you have more insight in the trades itself, and if you're playing out or structure change or whatever, you can take this one. Okay, it's $7 for the first week, and then ongoing is $24. This all in Aussie dollar, guys. Okay, it's Aussie dollar, so that's half what you pay in the USD dollar. Let's go back to what we're doing. So let's move on Pumpkin. Okay. So, yep. Punkhead, we can see them coming to the downside, guys. We did forecast this move from here. We said it's coming. And we said they have to correct here. So we can see now. Let me give you both sides, okay? What can happen now? We are expecting this is one, and this is correction, and we are coming down, okay? For here. Even for here, the bigger target is around 162,000. If this didn't play out, if we can break the top for any reason, don't sell anymore, and we will see what happens from there, okay? Because even if we come down, then we are coming in correction and we continue to the upside. Because we can break the bottom, this was all your bottom here, and we can see them now still coming to the downside. They reacted on my box, they reacted on my second box, and they coming, and I can see this is only flag to drop. So what to look now? We are anticipating down move is coming. Take this sell, don't miss it for next week, okay? This could be big trade. As our European guys, as we're anticipating the pink structure. And okay, so look for sell on European. We are coming to the downside. Okay, we smash this box and we can see them coming down now. Find this sell set up in there. If you have strategy, it's easy. This is doing something very good in here to draw. Let's move on to Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin has been like a magic as well for us. And Bitcoin is supposed to be 12. Where is it? So we anticipating an up move on Bitcoin, guys. If you find a buyer, you can see them continuing to the upside. We did forecast this one exactly from here, guys. I'll show you right now. We did say this is coming down. Okay, here, exactly here, and they're going to turn to the upside. Let me show you this. Let's see which one now is the Bitcoin here. So, just leave it for now. It's supposed to be somewhere here. Yep.
This is my expectation. You know, interesting in the sale
So
of this one.
you can hear now the other video, guys. I'm just playing it for you. I'm telling you what I said.
We will see them when they come here. If they give us sell set up, we are going to sell to the downside. For now, I don't like this dropping. I don't like this to be to the downside. Okay, I can see them possible coming in and going down.
So guys, you see, I played for you the video. You saw yourself. You can go watch as well in there. So we did anticipate the down move and the up move as well. We getting both of them. We getting both of them. Let me show you quickly on the chart again. Okay, we did get it to the downside. We was here, right here. We said we are coming down. Okay, we was right here. We said don't worry, this is not going to go up. We are coming down here, and then we are going up, and they're playing out as we expected, guys. So if you find any buy setup, buy it. There is going up, not down. The direction is not down before you break this green line. Once you break this trend line, then we can start looking for sell. Okay, so let's move on to Tesla, guys. And this should be, watch this, guys. We didn't spike this from here to the top last week as well. Where is Tesla here? This one. Okay, this was on my previous outlook as well. We did say buy this. See? Let me just call my drawing tools. We was here. We said buy this. Let me show you this on the chart. See, guys? exactly at the top of the thing. What's now? Now we are going to look for sell setup at this time, okay, for at least for this. And we will see, because there is high chance, because this will follow with the stock market. If all the stock has to drop to the downside, okay guys, this will go up a little bit and drop to the downside one more. And we'll see from here, because there is big chance if they come here, we are going to buy here, huge here, okay, because this will confirm for us it's going to the upside. But for now, you either need to leave on the side or look for sale only, okay. Even if they go up for now, we're not interested, because you know they have to come down for this. And if we see this in playing, then we'll buy the breakout and buy it to the upside. That means this was all the correction, but we still can see this is the correction. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, we see this is A, B, C, and this in the middle is you running flat, and that's how it's going to form this structure. You do understand how to follow up with the guys. And if you borrow from the bottom, you're lucky. I bought this one on my long-term account, and I'm going to keep this, okay. Even if they come down, it's not a big issue, because you will be buying from the bottom again, only adding to it. Let's move on to gas, natural gas, guys. Natural gas should be the last one. You see, as we called this buy last week, we said buy within my box, and if we don't turn, if we break it, that means we are going on this structure, okay. This still have to come, but no. Let's see, now we're already at the top. If we find sell set up, we are going to sell it. But we're putting in our mind this can still go one more, break this top, and then drop. So this is what you have to put in mind. I'm giving you all the possibility in there, okay. So very high chance for this to happen, guys. There is still more to the downside on this pair. There is a huge move to the upside, but I'm not expecting it's ready yet. So let's see. Okay, there is big move, guys. Very big move to the upside. Remember. So this is everything for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed my outlook, and I hope you guys support our channel with like, comment, share the video. Okay, and see you next week.